Love tech and gadgets? Then you'll want to have a look at the 10 best tech gadgets of 2022. These products take your tech above and beyond. Each year amazes us with its new tech developments, and 2022 is no different. Whether it's a phone with illuminating rear strips or a super cool update to popular Sony headphones, the best tech gadgets of 2022 take innovation to the next level. Work more efficiently with the Apple MacBook Air with M2 processor, which is a powerhouse, boasting up to 8 hours of video playback. It has a fanless design like the M1 MacBook Air to keep it from overheating. What's more, this slim-bezeled 13.6 inches liquid retina display has a notch cut out for the 1080p FaceTime camera. Additionally, it has 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a headphone jack, and an impressive 500 nit brightness. Available in 4 striking colors: silver, space gray, starlight, midnight blue. This all-aluminum unibody laptop boasts style. Moreover, the simple, flat-edge design measures just 11.3 millimeters thin and has a magic keyboard with a Touch ID power button. You'll love that it uses MagSafe magnetic charging and is up to 40% faster than the MacBook Air with M1. Finally, it fast charges to 50% battery in only 30 minutes. Enjoy an innovative, powerful smartphone for less than you'd think with the Google Pixel 6a smartphone. With its Google Tensor processor, you can expect fast launching apps and images. And when it comes to battery life, you won't have any issues because it lasts for over 24 hours. By learning your favorite apps and saving energy on the ones you use the least, this battery adapts to you. Meanwhile, the intelligent photography features allow sharper faces, remove unwanted objects, and shoot fantastic night photos. Then, with an IP67 waterproof rating, the Pixel 6a can handle water and dust. You also won't have to worry about attacks as the Titan M2 chip and Google Tensor Security Core add an extra layer of security. Finally, available in 3 color options and boasting a customizable Pixel interface, it's designed around you. Look at the world a little closer with the DJI Mini 3 Pro camera drone. Weighing under 249 grams, it's super lightweight and portable and, best of all, doesn't require registration in most countries. Plus, its foldable design enables you to take it virtually everywhere with ease. Moreover, this DJI lightweight camera drone includes forward, backward, and downward vision sensors and can avoid obstacles in complicated environments. This portable camera drone also records at up to 4 Kelvin or 60 FPS, and the 1 divided by 1.3 inches sensor features dual native ISO. Furthermore, it boasts an array of intelligent features to perfect your outcomes. In particular, tools like Focus Track, Master Shots, and Time-Lapse take your shoots to new heights. Finally, enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and up to 25 kilometers flight distance to cover your aerial photography needs. Experience powerful processing with the Samsung 2022 Neo QLED series. Featuring 3 TVs in the collection, QN900B, QN800B, and QN95B, you'll receive a cinematic vibe at home. With Samsung's Neural Quantum processor, 8 Kelvin resolution delivers a 3D-like image that's perfect for watching sports or pulse-pounding action. Meanwhile, the QN95B boasts a 4 Kelvin resolution for an intensely realistic picture and immersive audio. Moreover, this Samsung TV collection offers superlative brightness and clarity with mini LED that are 1 divided by 40th the size of standard LED. As a result, you'll receive a dramatically improved contrast and a 144 Hz refresh rate along with an anti-reflective layer to minimize distractions. Additionally, with a 90-watt 624-channel experience, the QN900B allows you to hear and feel the sound. Finally, these TVs are available in 65, 75, and 85 screen sizes. Boasting Apple Silicon, the Apple 2022 iPad Air delivers the performance you need for any task. Leaping ahead of past models, it has the M1 chip and an 8-core CPU. This, paired with the 8-core GPU, delivers incredible graphics performance. More than that, though, this new iPad Air also has the 16-core neural engine to let you enjoy intuitive experiences. Furthermore, it has a liquid retina display, 500 nits of brightness, and anti-reflective coating. Additionally, its 12MP ultra-wide front camera supports center stage. With 5G connectivity, it lets you work on the go with ease or even watch movies with friends. Its USB-C port is twice as fast as previous models for transferring large files. Compatible with accessories like the Smart Keyboard Folio and Magic Keyboard, it also supports the 2nd generation Apple Pencil. Running on iPadOS 15, it does more than you could imagine. Enjoy multiple immersive displays on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 folding smartphone. With a customizable form factor, this phone boasts a shape-shifting design that includes the 7.6 inches main screen with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and discrete under-display camera. The large screen optimizes social media apps and streaming services. Even watch shows hands-free with Flex Mode. Then, use the Flex Mode touchpad to pause, rewind, and play. Furthermore, this is a great phone for multitasking thanks to its taskbar, which provides a layout similar to a PC and provides access to your favorite and recent apps. It offers swipe gestures to instantly switch full-screen apps to pop-up windows or split your screen in half. Moreover, Google Apps support drag and drop, while Google Meet lets you participate in virtual co-activities. And Microsoft's Office suite provides more information on the screen. Finally, the S Pen functionality enables on-the-go drawing and note-taking. Hear your music in a new light with the Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless headphones. Designed with an Auto NC optimizer, these headphones automatically adjust the sound based on your environment and wearing conditions. Moreover, the Sony WH-1000XM5 includes 8 microphones, 4 on each, with noise-canceling technology. In fact, the microphones also utilize precise voice pickup technology and advanced audio signal processing. This means that the other person on the end of the call sounds clear, even in noisy settings. These headphones also have 30mm driver unit with a soft TPU edge, which enhances the noise quality. Plus, the carbon fiber material ensures that they're lightweight while improving sound clarity. Finally, these over-ear headphones come with Alexa built-in and Google Assistant for convenient use when adjusting tracks. Feel comfortable in every area of your house with the Wyze Room Sensor. It's compatible with the Wyze thermostat to rid your home of hot and cold spots. Simply place this gadget in popular rooms and allow the compatible thermostat to balance your home's climate. Moreover, this sensor continuously communicates with the thermostat to balance your home's temperature. Above all, the motion sensing comfort mode detects movement to prioritize only the rooms you're actually using to save you money. Speaking of saving money, you can set a higher threshold so your connected thermostat doesn't turn on your heating or cooling system as often. Furthermore, use the Auto Comfort mode to choose which rooms you'd like to monitor the temperature in depending on your schedule. Finally, remotely monitor the temperature of a room and adjust the climate with the Wyze app. Fill your home with cinematic, immersive sound from the Bowers and Wilkins Panorama 3 Dolby Atmos soundbar. This sleek soundbar boasts connectivity with Amazon Alexa and draws from the brand's decades of work with world-famous recording studios. In fact, you'll experience Wyze as the director intended thanks to the 13 individual drivers. Meanwhile, twin subwoofers get powered by 400 watts of amplification for beautiful, spatial audio. Then, upward-firing drive units produce a sound that surrounds you. Yes, you can expect a true-to-life Dolby Atmos experience with this soundbar. What's more, you'll enjoy AirPlay 2, Bluetooth aptX adaptive, and a wide range of streaming services. Even better, the Panorama 3 is easy to set up thanks to an intuitive app. Finally, HDMI Air gives you simple, hassle-free connectivity. Enjoy super crisp video quality when you have the Insta360 Link AI-powered 4 Kelvin webcam. Boasting 4 Kelvin resolution, it ensures you are seen and can be seen with a realistic and stunning Ultra HD quality. Moreover, this gadget offers AI tracking to keep you in focus. Its gesture controls let you use your hands to manage your calls. No clicker, no device, just fingers. Available for both Mac and Windows, its industry-leading half-inch sensor has a high dynamic range for lifelike details. Use HDR mode to balance highlights and shadows, and avoid blurry shots thanks to its phase detection autofocus and auto exposure technology. Furthermore, with a 3-axis gimbal, its lens rotates and follows your every movement. Finally, automatic zooming and framing keeps you center stage. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.